Hello viewers, welcome to the session on data structures. In this video, we will see about the binary search tree, which covers what is binary search tree and the operations on the binary search tree like search, find min, find max, insert and delete with examples. First, let us see what is binary search tree. Binary search tree, referred as BST, is a special kind of binary tree in which nodes are arranged in specific order. Let us assume each node in a binary search tree is assigned a key value. The property that makes the binary tree into binary search tree is that for every node X in the tree, the values of all the keys in its left subtree are smaller than the key values in X, and the values of all keys in the right subtree are larger than the key value in X. Then the left and the right subtree each must also be a binary search tree. Let us see an example of a binary search tree. You can observe that the key values of all the left subtrees are smaller than the key values of their root, and the key values in all the right subtrees are larger than the key value of their root. If you take 50, the values in the left subtree like 30, 40, 20, 10, 25 are smaller than 50, and the values 70, 60, 80 in the right subtree are larger than 50. Ordering among the keys in BST makes the operations like search, finding minimum and maximum to be done faster, which is in the order of log n. Now let us see how the binary search tree is represented. As binary search tree is a special kind of binary tree, the representation is similar to that of binary tree. Hope you would have watched my previous video on binary tree. Recollect the same. The double linked list is used to represent a binary search tree. Every node consists of three fields. The first field for storing the address of left child, second for storing the actual data, the third for storing the address of right child. The structure of the node of BST is declared as struct tree node with data and both left and the right child as pointers of type struct tree node. Next, let us see the operations on BST. The search operation searches for an element in the tree. The find min operation finds the minimum element in the tree. The find max operation finds the maximum element in the tree. The insert operation inserts an element in the tree, where the delete operation deletes an element from the tree. The other operations are used for traversing the tree, where there are three types of traversals like pre-order, in-order and post-order traversal. Next, let us see the operation in detail one by one. First, let us see the algorithm for search operation. Let X be the element to be searched in the tree. This algorithm returns a pointer to the node in the tree that has the element X. As a first step, check if the tree is empty. If so, return null. If not, then compare X with the data at the root of the tree. If X is matched, then return the pointer to the node. Else, check if X is less than the data on the root. If so, move to the left subtree. If not, then move to the right subtree. So repeat this procedure recursively either on the left or the right subtree until the match is found. If X is not found, then return null. Following the algorithm, the routine for search operation is given here. Because of the recursive definition of the tree, the recursive routines are used to perform the operations on BST. The given routine searches for the element in the tree T and returns the pointer of the node containing the element if the element is present, else return null. Let me explain the search operation with an example. Consider that the element 25 has to be searched in the given tree. As per the algorithm, start the search from the root node. In this example, the root node is Nothing but 50. So 25 is compared with 50. As 25 is less than 50, proceed to search in the 50's left subtree. Reaching the left subtree, 25 is compared with 30. As 25 is less than 30, proceed to search in the 30's left subtree. Reaching the left subtree, as 25 is greater than 20, proceed to the 20's right subtree. On reaching the right subtree, the match is found here and the pointer to the node is returned. Let us see the other example where the element to be searched is 90. As per the algorithm, start the search from the root node. In this example, the root node is 50. Now 90 is compared with 50. As 90 is greater than 50, proceed to search in the 50's right subtree. Reaching the right subtree, as 90 is greater than 70, proceed to search in the 70's right subtree. Reaching the right subtree, as 90 is greater than 80, proceed to search in the 80's right subtree. As there is no other right subtree, it is concluded that 90 is not present in the given BST and the null pointer is returned. Let us see the algorithm for the find-min operation. The find-min function is used to find the smallest or the minimum element in the BST. To perform this operation, start from the root node. Recursively move to the left subtree of the root as long as there is a left child. The stopping point is the leaf node which contains the smallest element in the tree. Following the algorithm, the routine for find-min is given here. It returns the pointer to the smallest element in the tree. Let me demonstrate the find-min operation with an example. Consider the given BST. As per the algorithm, start from the root node which has the data 50 in the example. Recursively move to the left subtree until the leaf node is reached. Hence, move to the 50's left subtree, then to 30's left subtree, then to 20's left subtree, and then to the 10's left subtree. As there is no further left subtree, the leaf node is reached. The element 10 in the leaf node is the smallest element in the tree. Next, let us see the algorithm for find max operation. The find max function is used to find the largest or the maximum element in the BST. To perform this operation, start from the root node, recursively move to the right subtree of the root as long as there is a right child. The stopping point is the leaf node which contains the largest element in the tree. Following the algorithm, the routine for find max is given here. It returns the pointer to the largest element in the tree. Let me demonstrate the find max operation with an example. Consider the given BST. To find the largest element, start from the root node which is 50. Recursively move to the right subtree until the leaf node is reached. So, move to the 50's right subtree, then to the 70's right subtree, and then to the 80's subtree. As there is no further right subtree, the leaf node is reached. The element 80 in the leaf node is the largest element in the tree. Hope now you are clear with the search, find min and find max operation. Let me continue the other operations like insert and delete and traversal in my next video. Have a happy learning.